Nagtungo ang aktres na si Gretchen Barreto ngayong araw sa Department of Justice upang maghain ng counter affidavit sa kasong kinakaharap niya kaugnay sa mga missing sabongeros. Ayon kay Barreto, umaasa siyang magiging patas ang investigasyon ng Department of Justice sa kanyang kaso. Bukod kay Gretchen ay kabilang din si Atong Ang sinampahan ng kaso ng DOJ at ng mga kaanak ng mga nawawalang sabongero. May 60 pa na individual na kabilang sa mga sinampahan ng DOJ.
Incredible, and there's every basis for the complaint to be dismissed. Now, if you can allow us...
Recently, meron din pong na-arresto na nagtatangka daw po naman.
No, we know nothing about it. If you cannot, medyo umuulan kasi. So if you can...
Ms. Gretchen, any statement po? Any words from it?
How many words po?
As you know, we have said from the very start that the accusations against Ms. Barreto stands on nothing. And if you look at the complaint affidavit, it's actually recognized, the accusations against her are actually recognized as allegations, unsubstantiated, unproven, and at the end of the day, incredible, and made by a witness who also himself lacks credibility in this respect. So, you know, I hope that this case is disposed of quickly as justice demands. So we have done our part. Ms. Barreto will continue doing her part. Now, for the moment, let's see what happens. We don't want to preempt, but we have made our position very clear. We believe that if justice is to be followed, the complaints against Ms. Barreto should be dismissed forthwith.
Ma'am Gretchen, short message lang po please. Nagtitiwala po ba tayo sa proseso? Tayo po ay naniniwalang lalabas ang totoo. Ano po gusto niyong sabihin po sa publiko?
Nothing for now. Thank you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me po.
Palalag tayo.
Excuse me po. Excuse me.
Okay.
Pauna ka na.
Palalag tayo para pareha. Dahan na, ma'am. Salamat.